Meaning of Gilbert White.
Gilbert White.
Gilbert White.
Gilbert White.
Gilbert White. Gilbert White was an 18th-century naturalist and author from England who is best known for his work, The Natural History and Antiquities of Selborne. His book documents his observations of the flora and fauna in the village of Selborne, Hampshire, offering a detailed glimpse into the natural world of the time. White's meticulous and scientific approach to documenting his observations made his work a valuable resource for future naturalists and scientists. Today, he is considered one of the fathers of modern ecology, and his work continues to inspire and inform research into the natural world.